Peace and love, y'all. Blockchain Bird here, early bird crypto. Check this out. Helium got a $20 unlimited plan for mobile and data coverage. You see it right here yourself. If you want to sign up, I have a referral code here for you that you can use and we'll both make some money. But check this out, even cooler. It has its own wallet. I sent myself some Solana, so I have one Solana on here right now. I guess I can pay for my bill with that, but look at this option at the bottom here. If you pay with mobile, which is their token they can reward you in, your bill pays for itself. How does it work? Prepay your plan by converting mobile and applying it to your bill. No mobile, no problem. Once your prepaid balance runs out, we'll automatically charge the credit card on file for your next bill. And again, it's only $20. Here's my wallet address. If you want to send me some Solana or something, who knows. But even cooler, check out this mapping feature. By sharing your location, you enable a better, more efficient Helium network and can earn mobile rewards in the process. Yeah, I'll turn it on. And this is how Helium got started. There's a Helium Wi-Fi router that you can buy online, and you get paid, or a miner I should call it, a Helium miner. It's a Wi-Fi device you plug in your house, and you get paid in Helium HNT token. And off of that, they built a mobile network from the people running these Helium hotspots. Now they've partnered with T-Mobile, and they're using their mobile data over Helium. I know it sounds confusing, but in a nutshell, it makes it a lot cheaper to offer you mobile and data service. That's why they can afford to charge only $20 a month. They beat the hell out of conventional mobile network providers. You can't beat that with a bat. So it looks like something was happening here. I don't know what this is. I don't even know if I have my permissions on now. This is probably not for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the settings. Not really too much. Here's the fine print. Well, I don't care about all that. Anyway, there's my account. Don't worry, I don't live in none of these addresses. I live on the road, so it's okay. But yeah, there you have it. $20 a month, unlimited talk, text, data. Can't beat that with a bat. Helium Network. Shout out to HNT. Get you some HNT coin. It's probably gonna pop. Peace and love. Blockchain Bird signing off.